Product name: Carson MicroBrite Plus 60x-120x LED Lighted Pocket Microscope, MM300. The Carson MicroBrite 60x-120x LED Lighted Pocket Microscope is a powerful and portable microscope that can magnify objects from 60x to 120x. It is lightweight and compact, making it easy to carry around. The microscope features a built-in LED light that provides a bright and clear image of the object being viewed. The Carson MicroBrite 60x-120x LED Lighted Pocket Microscope is perfect for viewing coins, stamps, rocks, insects, and other small objects. Here are some pros and cons of the product. Pros: the microscope is lightweight and portable, making it easy to carry around. The built-in LED light provides a bright and clear image of the object being viewed. The microscope can magnify objects from 60x to 120x, allowing for detailed viewing of small objects. The microscope is affordable and great value for money. Cons: the microscope is not suitable for viewing larger objects. The microscope may not be as durable as other microscopes on the market. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for our latest videos.